Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and yes, as you can tell from the title of this video, this is yeah, I started out doing my normal review video with the items that I wanted to talk about, one of them being this alcohol ink pen from Born Pretty store, and I realized I had made a mistake. So, and yeah, that's what happens when I don't know, you jump the gun, don't read instructions, don't watch previous videos, and you just go on assuming I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. Okay, so this is the packaging where this pen came in. I opened the box, okay, and as you can see there, that's how it came. I pulled it out, it came right out, and this is how that came out. I will show you a clip. I'm going to try to insert a clip of what this looked like originally before I got it, immediately out of the box. And what I mean by that, it has, so immediately out of the box, it had this top right here where the color is. This is the top and this is the bottom. This is the part that you open where the bristles are. There's a button here, and it was slightly sticking out, okay? When I saw it, my first impression was, oh, okay, it's a pump. It's, or, you know, a button for pumping down the ink that I assume was already in here. Yes, stay tuned, stick with me. And then start working, you know, like a typical marker. So what did I do? Just before I was going to demonstrate or play with it, I pushed it down. It did not spring back up. It's stuck. It's stuck there. I have attempted to pop it back out, but it is pretty much stuck there. So I paused and I went on YouTube, found a review video by Denise Jones 65. I'm going to link it down below if you're interested in watching her video. She did a beautiful design with these alcohol inks. And she mentioned the ink or the pump vessel that goes inside here. I did not see in the video where she demonstrated how to, or where it was, where that ink came from. She did not demonstrate. So I did open this prior to actually seeing her video, and I'm looking inside and I'm tapping this on the ground like, okay, where's the ink? There's nothing here. This is a mistake. What's going on? Why there's nothing inside? I'm not sure what it's going on. And after I saw her video and I saw that she showed the little ink cartridge, or yeah, the little vessel, I looked inside my box and I wouldn't see anything other than, okay, so what you see right now is after I push, there's this little tab right here. Let me see if I can try to put it. So it was hiding in there. You see, I'm trying to get the light. But I did not see that at all, not in the least. It was hiding behind this, and I couldn't tell I couldn't tell there was anything else in there. So this was very tricky, and I'm going to, reaching for my scissors here, I'm going to break into this box. I don't know how many of you have you experienced this before? Have any of you guys had problems with this before? There it is. Okay, so yeah, this was hidden. I did not know what to expect at all. I almost threw this packaging away. Now, how is my pen going to work after me having already pushed that button down in there? I have no idea. But, okay, so yeah, here we go. Just wanted to demonstrate to you guys. So let me go ahead and open this. And I will assume this goes this way. Let's see if I can, hopefully I won't make a mess here and this start squirting out. Okay, so I got it screwed up in there like that. And I don't know how I'm going to get the ink to start. Maybe, yeah. So I'm not sure. Oh, there, it's coming. It's coming. Good, good, good. Alrighty, so I think I managed to salvage this. And now maybe I will go ahead and continue with my video. I think, yeah, that does it. Okay, so there you go. If this happened to you, now you know how how to salvage your pen. But hopefully you didn't throw your packaging away. This is, I don't know, somewhat of a deceiving type of packaging. Has this happened to anyone else? Well, anyway, there you guys have it. And if you have any comments, leave them below. I hope you like this quick video. Don't make the same mistake I made. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.